Alright, so this is going to be a video on exponential growth and decay. Now this is just going to be a very simple overview of what this represents. We're going to be going over more in class about how the graphing is and how to actually solve problems with it. But before you see the problems, I kind of want you to understand what you should be looking for. Okay, so exponential growth is going to have a standard equation that looks something like this. Y is equal to C times the quantity 1 plus R to the T power. Okay, the t is going to actually be our independent variable. So you can think of t, it's going to be on our x-axis. The y is obviously going to be on the y-axis. So that's going to be our x, this is going to be our y. Okay, so you might want to write that down. Here's what each variable represents. So y is the amount at time t. So you're going to be plugging in t to find y, and it says amount. This could be the amount of dollars, this could be the amount of bacteria growth, this could be the amount of human population. It's just the amount of whatever the problem is asking for. You're going to see different problems. We're going to go over a couple in class, and you're going to see some in your homework that can kind of that use this equation to kind of help you understand what each of these variables mean. Okay, so that's y. C is going to be the initial amount at time 0. So it's going to be whatever you start with. Okay, that's really important. C is what you start with. Or y is the amount after you plug in that certain value for t. R is the rate of change as a decimal. So this R right here is going to be the rate of change. And it's also really important to make sure that it is in decimal form, not a percentage. So you might get a percentage, but you have to convert that into a decimal. So you might want to review how to do that. And then t is going to represent time. Okay? These equations for exponential growth and exponential decay are virtually the same, except for, as you can see, this one has a plus and this one has a minus. It's going to make the graphs look a little bit different. It's going to make the numbers look a little bit different, but it's still the same principle with the same variables. Okay? So if you have any questions on any of these, please let me know.